Okay, so we're here again to demonstrate. Okay, so we'll look for the data set that we will be using. We use the promotion data set to illustrate the contingency table and the stock column chart. Okay, I'm gonna name this as my data again, and then we'll look for the promotions. Where is it? Okay, let's browse the data. I put it in here. Okay, let's change the data name again. Okay, and then let's look for the promotion file. Right, so now we have the promotions file. Okay, we already changed the name. Okay, so now we'll be importing that. Okay, now we have the data. Okay, so to create a table, okay, uh, just have to follow what's in the book. Okay, my table, my data. This is the name of the data, and then the location. Okay, we'll use the location, and then my data purchase. Okay, okay, so we already have that table. Let's check the table. Okay, so we have here no and yes, and we have the total of it. Okay, so now we're gonna use the top that table. Okay, and we'll be using that table we made. Okay, so do you notice that it's more on percentage, right? Okay, so there is a line of percentage. Okay, um that's a shortcut for proportions. Okay, okay, so the next code will be my new table. We are declaring a function again. Okay, table my data. Okay, underscore purchase. Okay, and then my data again, then location. Okay, so we're gonna enter that. Let's check my new table. Okay, so um this is the other way I'm seeing, okay, the table. So the first one is the column are is the new and the yes, and here are the area. So here the rows are the no and the yes, and the columns are the area. Okay. Now that we have the data, we can now use the bar plot. Okay. We will be using the bar plot. Okay. Bar plot. We will use the new table. Okay, as is illustrated in our Excel. Okay. Menu table, and then the main, again, the main is the name of the bar chart, bar plot. Okay. Okay, so location and purchase. Okay, and then the color will be color blue and red. Okay, so blue, then red. Sorry, I forgot to put some blue, red. Okay, so we'll put the legend. Okay, legend is equals to row names. Okay, we will use the my new table. Okay, we'll use this my new table. Okay, and then comma again, and then the xlab. Xlab, we all know xlab is the name of the x-axis. Okay, so what's the name of the xlab location? So ylab again, and what's the name of the ylab? Count. So we're counting, and the y limit is the maximum. Uh, this is the maximum number of the axis. Okay, so 200. The minimum is 0, and the maximum is 200. Okay, let's enter. Okay, so now we have this bar plot. Okay, okay, so we have here the count. Okay, and then the location south. Okay, but the output of this is not as good as the output of the Excel. Okay, so you try to you try to experiment with this y limit. Why is it 150? Okay, try 150. Okay, so alright, so it just never appears. Okay, so we have to use 200 or 300. Okay, so the 200 now appears. Okay, so that's the data, but it doesn't really look interesting. Okay, alright. Okay, so I think it can be helped. Okay, so we can just um, knock this one to this one, and then you just have to extend this one here like that. Okay, so on naming here the data here. Okay, if we wanted to add data here like we did in the Excel, we need to add some RStudio plugins or additional software that can help R do that. Okay, um, and it's beyond our topic. Okay, and